Welcome to Compliance Weekly, 2025, May 13th. We'll start by walking our milestone board. Let's see, I think all of these are undiscussed. So let's start from the bottom. At audit events for LDAP sign-ins. I think this was outside of our group. Yes. I am pretty sure it does what it says on the can. Yeah. Okay. Next one is on Andrew. Audit event streaming fails because of hard-coded limit in header for bearer token.
Yep, this one was just added in 18.1 to raise the header value limit to 2000. So we don't have certain auth tokens that are longer than like 1200, for example, failing.
Nice. Next one is add sort parameter to project compliance requirement status GraphQL field.
This one is on me. So I have added this sorting parameter to project compliance requirement status so that now project requirement and the statuses can be grouped by project requirement and frameworks on the compliance dashboard.
Yeah. Nice. And then we have audit event current sign-in IP, sometimes inaccurate for some actions. Andrew and Arsima.
Yeah, I looked into this and couldn't find, or I couldn't reproduce the issue. I think it was closed this morning. Same findings.
Interesting. I remember working on something similar, but I forgot what the crux was. I think it was something to do with the boundary layer where it got forwarded and then it recorded the last sign-in IP or something, and if that was empty, it just used the forward for some reason. Yeah, it's a weird one. All right, let's go to planning. I think these are still the same for now. So we'll start from the top. Custom compliance framework improvements on Hitesh and Ilya.
So from backend side, the sorting MR got merged and deployed and verified too. I created this another MR for listing project requirement statuses for project dashboard. That is also merged. I have created another MR for filtering and ordering statuses in the same API, which got merged. That is under review. Other than that, I've created another MR for listing down for associating control statuses with the requirement statuses. Currently, the column for the control status for the requirement status in the control status table is empty. So I have added a workaround for that, and I'll be working on a proper fix for that. Yeah, that's it. And I'm working on a bug fix for fixing the last candidate in the dashboard.
Yeah.
That's it.
All right. Next one is the CELDS 1.0 migration. Does anyone know where Harsimer's on this? If not, we'll skip and go to the next one on Andrew. Out-of-the-box controls for most requested compliance frameworks.
Yep, that one was closed off as we completed all the controls, thanks to Darby and other compliance engineers to help look out for other stuff like the pipelines. There is some like leftover work for like cleaning up, like refactoring and stuff like that, but the actual work is done.
Nice. Next one on Hitesh again. Consolidation of tables for streaming audit events.
Andrew, can you please speak about this?
Yeah. It's the front end is done behind a feature flag. There's one batch background migration that had to be created because there's an issue of how some of the streaming tables were migrated, like the filters, namespace tables, and the headers. And so I haven't opened up MR for that, but that should be the final MR before we can feature flag on these things.
Is that currently running or still in review?
It's approved, and I'm just looking for the pipelines right now because
Ah, nice. Next one is group compliance overview dashboard. Harsimar and Ilya. Anyone have any updates on that? No, we'll skip as well. Next one after that is link violations framework controls on Huzaifa and me. We're pretty much done with the implementation planning, so we closed that one out, I think, yesterday. And yeah, we're gonna start work on that one. So implementation plan complete, but work is just starting now. Next one is out of the box compliance templates on Hitesh.
No progress here. Currently, I'm focusing on critical follow-ups on custom compliance framework improvements.
Alrighty. Next one on me, improve compliance group metrics. This one also is pushback or low priority because of the violations to framework controls had priority. I'm still working on it in between when I have some spare time, so still progressing. Alrighty. Anyone have anything for discussions or release post blockers?
No.
Alrighty. All right, we'll end this portion then.
Instead of